STG Repairs has served our customers since 2008 in Miami. STG Repairs team fixes almost all smartphones, tablets, and computers on the market. It also specializes in board-level repairs. Troubleshoot board-level problems. No touchscreen function, no backlight, no power. Replace knocked-off SMD components on any board. Problems with water and other liquid damage, and charging problems. We also do factory unlock, software errors, data transfer, and recovery. We have a very solid reputation in the repair community. Our clients can count on our experience. Our goal is reliable service and competitive prices.
Hello, we are going to replace today 3 iPad minis FPC touch connector. We're going to do it one after the other. Hoy vamos a reemplazar 3 iPad mini conectores de touch. Vamos a hacer uno atrás del otro. Okay, ¿qué necesitamos? We're going to have flux and I'm going to put the air to 400 with 45. 400 heat with 45 air. Okay, I'm going to apply heat from the bottom. Puse el calor a 400 con 45 y voy a aplicar calor por abajo. Y cuando sienta que está listo, voy a subir. Okay. After a few seconds, once I see it's almost dry, I'm going to go to the top and apply a small amount of heat from top. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to the top. You are going to see it's bright. One is ready. Going to the second one. Vamos al segundo, ya pasamos el primero. Okay. What I'm doing is preheating from the bottom, just like if I use a preheater. Lo que está haciendo es precalentando por abajo, como que estuviera usando un preheating, un precalentador. El segundo está listo. Vamos al tercero. Now we're going to the third one. Apply a small amount of heat from the bottom, and then we're going to the top. So it's faster and less risky. Aplicamos calor por abajo y después por arriba, es menos riesgoso y más rápido el proceso. Tenemos los tres afuera. Okay, now we are going to check how it looks. Vamos a chequear ahora cómo lucen. Before do anything, we are just going to check. Antes de hacer nada, vamos a chequear cómo están las soldaduras. Las soldaduras están perfectas. The solder is perfect. If you don't want to touch it, you don't need to touch it, but if you want, you can. So now we are going to apply more flux, and we are going to add the 6337. See if you can see there. Going to add 6337 without removing the old one. We are combining the one that we have with 6337. Okay. We have one ready. Let's check the other one. Do the same thing. guys can see there. Need to add more flux and clean the tip. Perfect. We have two ready. Just to put the FPC connector back, and we are going to add flux to the third one. Vamos a añadir flux al tercero. Y vamos a hacer el mismo proceso. We are doing the same process. Okay. Perfect. Now, going to clean before adding new flux. Clean. You see it's there. Let me see, you can see. You see how well is the solder, miren que bien están las soldaduras. Ok. Vamos a limpiar el otro. También está perfecto. Pueden ver ahí que está perfecto también. It's perfect. Now we're going to clean the third one. And it's perfect. You can see there, the solder is perfect. Como pueden ver, la soldadura está perfecta. Now we're going to add flux again. One by one. Now we're going to install. We're going to put on place the FPC connector. Vamos a poner en su lugar, después de que añadimos flux, los FPC connector. Este ya está en su lugar. The flux is going to help you to hold the FPC in place. El flux es el que te ayuda a que el FPC esté en su lugar, no se mueva. Okay? We just do this. Okay. Perfect. We have the second one. Now we are going to the third one. Same process, flux. As you can see there, we just add flux. So we are just going to put it on place. The last one, the third one. Okay. We adding flux here. Okay. Okay. Ya como ven, pusimos todos los FPC en su lugar y vamos a hacer el mismo proceso. As you can see, all FPCs, they were in place. Now we are going to do the same process, but only from the bottom. Pero vamos a hacer el mismo proceso, pero solamente por abajo. Okay? Now, .400 with 45, and wait until you see it's bright. If we move, you touch it a little bit, and it's going to be okay. We put it in place. Perfect. This one is perfect. Go to the second one. Vamos al segundo. Perfect. Now we're going to the third one. Perfecto, el segundo. Y ahora vamos al tercero. Okay, so now we have successfully soldered 3 FPC connectors, one after the other. Okay, so de esta manera hemos soldado satisfactoriamente y cambiado los conectores del FPC del iPad mini, 3 uno atrás del otro. Ok, como pueden ver ahí, la soldadura queda perfecta. Si pueden ver, si ponemos más luz, no. Ok, ya la soldadura está perfecta como de fábrica. Okay, this solder is perfect, just like when it comes from better than it comes from the manufacturer. Okay, you can see there. I see this one corner here that I see a little bit less, but it's well soldered. Everything else perfect, todo lo demás está bien. Había una esquina que pensaba que no, pero está soldada. And this one, same thing, this is perfect. Okay, so this is how you replace 3 FPC connectors for iPad minis at once. Esta es la manera que tú reemplazas los FPC rápido, 3 uno atrás del otro. Gracias.